In this blog, the central question is whether artificial intelligence can be safely used in accounts payable without introducing new financial or compliance risks. As AI becomes more embedded in AP workflows, finance leaders want reassurance that speed and automation won't come at the expense of control, security, or auditability. When it comes to AI security in AP, it's not about trusting a black box, but more so how AI is implemented within a controlled environment. Secure AI platforms are built on the same enterprise-grade foundations finance teams already expect, including encrypted data, strict access controls, audit trails, and policy-driven workflows. These safeguards ensure sensitive invoice and supplier data is protected throughout the invoice-to-pay process. AI operates within predefined approval rules and segregation of duties requirements set by finance leaders. When anomalies or potential fraud are detected, AI does not act independently. It flags issues and routes them through governed workflows, ensuring human oversight remains intact. AI can also actively strengthen security and fraud prevention. By analyzing large volumes of invoice and payment data, it identifies unusual patterns, duplicate invoices, or suspicious supplier changes faster than manual reviews. This allows finance teams to move from reactive investigations to proactive risk detection. Transparency and governance are also key. Secure AI solutions provide visibility into how decisions are made, supporting audit readiness and regulatory compliance. Continuous monitoring ensures models remain aligned with business rules and evolving risk profiles. Ultimately, Medius positions AI not as a risk to finance controls, but as a powerful enhancement. When deployed within a secure, well-governed AP automation platform, AI delivers greater efficiency, stronger fraud protection, and improved confidence, giving finance leaders the ability to innovate without sacrificing trust, control, or compliance.